This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Steve Owen II. Very private 3/3 den condo designed for low-maint. Serene pool and wooded views. Secure garage to foyer access. Desirable split floor plan, feels like a home, not a shoebox. Well maintained, move-in ready, and priced to sell. Generous bedrooms and closets, luxury finishes, neutral tile in main areas, new multi-zone air conditioner, inviting main patio with summer kit. Enclosed 2-car garage plus air conditioner storage. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve Owen II at 772-473-0828.